want to talk about a little something. I do want to talk about motovlogging. Okay, I have heard, I have seen videos of people saying that vlogging is dead, that it is something that people don't do anymore. Well, maybe not as often anymore. Well, obviously people are still doing it, because here I am, but I do not believe that it's dead. I do not believe that it is something that people will stop doing, because I think people really like riding motorcycles, obviously, and people like recording their rides. So now I do understand too that it's not as prominent as it used to be, because I think that it was a generational, it might be like a generational thing. I know that there is a lot of big name YouTubers now that started out doing stuff like this, right? They just recorded themselves riding bikes all the time and everywhere, and just talking about whatever came to their mind. And so I think that they caught the time perfectly, or they timed everything perfectly in regards to how it got hot and when it got hot. But I also believe too that it is possible that the YouTube algorithm has manipulated the material enough to where it's not always so prominent. I don't know if it's because YouTube deems motorcycle material or motorcycle content as hazardous, and so that could be the case, but I don't know. But I do know that I believe that it's not dead. I could be what you consider maybe late to the game, but then my motive is different. Some people's motives for creating a channel is to try to make a profession out of it, right? I mean, you can generate a steady income with it, so individuals try to do that, and there's nothing wrong with that, and that's okay. I'm cool with that. Not that my approval or my affirmation of people is actually needed or required for anybody to actually do anything, but I'm just saying that that's an idea I'm okay with. But my approach to putting videos out on YouTube really is to just hopefully have people kind of enjoy what I do on the bikes, like how I ride the bikes and stuff like that. And so it's just really for my enjoyment, and just really sharing my content with just sharing my rides with everybody who wants to kind of sit down and watch me ride around town, right? So that's what I do with my channel. I don't expect it to quote unquote blow up. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, hey, whatever, right? I mean, because I have a job, my normal kind of 8 to 5 job, and I'm blessed to have that job, and it provides me with the finances I need to sustain my life. So I'm good. Like, this is just me relaxing on the bike and sharing my ride. And so to me, that is the purpose of my content, is really to just kind of chill and relax, and be able to just kind of, I guess, sort of in a way talk to myself, because I am really technically kind of sort of talking to myself. Even though I'm recording it and sharing it, I'm still initially talking to myself. But again, it's just me enjoying this, and a lot of people have done well. Like, obviously a lot of people have done well putting their content up on YouTube and stuff of that nature, so there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. And congratulations to those who have made it in regards to being able to have a sustainable income doing YouTube videos and just riding your bike, right? Riding your bike and just putting it up on the videos, putting it up on YouTube, and being able to generate income from that. So congratulations to those who have done it. It's awesome. That's a great feat. and it takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of content, a lot of creativity, and a lot of time just riding around what I'm doing here. So I appreciate the individuals who have done it and sort of in a way paved the path, sort of. But yeah, like I said, I don't think it's dead. It's just maybe not as prominent, maybe not as in the forefront as it used to be. And I just don't understand. I don't think it's dead. I really don't. Like, because if it was dead, I wouldn't be doing it. Like, and again, I'm just doing it for fun, and a lot of people aren't, and a lot of people are. They're just doing it like how I do it, just getting out on the bike and enjoying your bike, right? But yeah, I really don't think it's dead. It's just, I just don't think it is. There's a lot to it that goes into it, and so I just don't think it's dead. I think it's not as prominent, but it's just not dead.